In this video, I'm going to show you a complete tutorial of the ConvertKit WordPress plugin, and I'm going to show you how to add forms and landing pages to your WordPress website fast. And we're getting started right now. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. So if you're new here, what we do on this channel is everything affiliate marketing and online business. And I like to do tutorials of the tools I use in online business and that you need if you want to grow an online business. So if that's the kind of content that you like, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. Now, we're going to go over the ConvertKit. Now we're going to go over the ConvertKit WordPress plugin. That's a tongue twister. Try saying that 2 times fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to dashboard, okay? You're going to go to plugins right here. So make sure you watch until the end because I got a secret hack I'm going to reveal to you that will save you 10 to 20 times the amount of time as you watch this video. I promise, because that's how much time it would have saved me. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to ConvertKit. So I already have the ConvertKit plugin. You can see right here, but if you want to add a new one, you just hit add new, and then you would just type in ConvertKit right here, okay? So that's all you would do to get the ConvertKit plugin. So now what we're gonna do, you see it's right there, 20,000 active installations right there. So you would install now and then activate it, okay? So I'm gonna go to my plugins, and then once you're here, you're gonna go to settings, okay? So you got your API key and your API secret, okay? So then you're going to go to ConvertKit, you're going to go to account settings. So that's where your API key is. Then you can show your API secret. So you're going to copy and paste those into your plugin right here. In the default form, I don't have one set, but if you set one, it'll show at the bottom of all your pages. Okay, so just so you know, I don't personally use that, but you can if you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to ConvertKit, and I'm going to assume you know a little bit about ConvertKit because you found this video, but if you don't, I'll put a link to a free trial to ConvertKit in the description below. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to forms and landing pages. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new form, and you just hit form right here, and there's inline, module, and slide in. Okay, so slide in is like in the corner, this pops up, and this is just inline, okay? So like in the post. So we'll just do inline, and so we just pick the most basic one. So then you name it up here, test form, okay? So we'll save it, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna embed it, and up here you go to WordPress. So that's your short code for the WordPress, and you have to have the ConvertKit WordPress plugin. Okay, I can't even say it. But anyway, so that's the short code that you need. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is you're gonna go, let's go to like a post, okay? So you can see right here, I have it added. So what you would do is you would just go right here and you can add short code, and then you can just paste it right there and then hit update, right? So I'm not gonna do that right here. I'll just show you how that looks. And then also at the bottom of the page, you can choose a default form, right? But that will put it at the bottom. Okay, so just remember at the bottom of the page. If you want it on the post, you got to do it like this. So I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks good. So anyways, that's what you do. And then also for the landing page, what you would have to do is instead of creating a post, you want to create a page. So what you would do is you would hit add new. Okay, so then we're going to go over to ConvertKit. We're going to hit new form. You're going to go to landing page. Okay, so they have all these templates in ConvertKit. It's super, super amazing. So we'll just choose this one. We'll call it test landing page, and then we'll save it. And then what you do is you go back here, and then depending if you have Yoast SEO, which I would suggest if you don't have it, but you just scroll down, and then you can see ConvertKit right here. And now they have the landing page option. Okay, so you can see the test ConvertKit form that we just made isn't there. So this is the secret hack I'll show you. I spent so long trying to figure this out, and the same thing with on the post, I just copy and pasted that shortcode in there and it wouldn't show up. I spent hours trying to figure this out. So I'm gonna show you this simple hack, okay? You would be so upset if I didn't show you this. So for everyone that left, joke's on them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings right here, ConvertKit. Okay, I'm gonna open it in a new tab. Now, it's simple. All you do, press refresh forms. That's it. Now, we'll refresh this page, scroll down. Now the test landing page is there. So you just do that, hit publish. Now we'll view the page. There you go. There's the landing page. Super simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. So if you want to check out another WordPress tutorial, I'll link up above right here, or you can just check out this video right here. Just make sure you hit my face right here and subscribe to support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're confused at all with the ConvertKit WordPress plugin, just let me know and I'll help you out with whatever you need. Anyways, that's all I got. Till next time.